bud.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my
But
God,
here Carlos crying through the glass door. He can literally see us from here.
Dude. Wow, they really gotta...
It's anti-theft, dude.
My fingies. What a nice storage pocket, huh?
Yeah, you're welcome. He's like standing right behind the door crying.
This wire is so gan. This is literally my headlight wire. I gotta fix that at some point. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What is it, too small?
Yeah. Does look a little bigger. Oh yeah. I need the 10 mil that's in your pocket. Oh boy. Oh! Did you get that?
Yep.
Okay. Hopefully it's good to go now. Perfect. No more popping the hood and wiggling the terminal to start it every time we're trying to go somewhere. We're pretty much done with the shop. We didn't have too much to do at the shop today. We're waiting on a bunch of stuff to come in. But we're on our way to Damien's house right now to help him put his bumpers on, apparently. I think that's what he's trying to do. We're going to go there and chill for a little bit and see what he's up to. Look at this industrial fan you got back here. Jesus Christ.
Oh yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna have to break it out soon, dude. It's getting warm. This.
What?
It's getting warm, dude.
No, it's not.
Tomorrow's gonna be like 90,000 degrees, dude.
No, it's not.
Yeah, dude, Joe.
No, no,
God.
can't go there. Can't go there. Plenty of other channels where you can go to for that.
Yo, you want to see some risky shit?
Sure.
Film underneath where I jacked it up from. That's a flex by itself.
When I just leaned over to look at what you said.
Is that the radiator support?
Yes, sir.
You said sketchy shit. I leaned over to look at it and I felt the gurgles in my stomach and now I gotta...
Look what you did.
He's gonna literally blow my toilet up, dude.
I'll hold it, dude.
I got these Home Depot buckets.
There's a lot of crunchy rust noises coming from over there.
Yeah, I thought this thing was milk, dude. Oh my God, you're a butcher.
This bumper, dude. All these bumper purists.
Perfectly fine big nose bumper.
Yeah,
It's so ugly.
Things about to fly off the jack stands.
Huh? Nah, I have pinch welds on this thing. 70K OBO, let me know.
Sounds like they're crusty, dude.
AJ, I think you gotta like pull on this side too.
I ain't touching this hoopty dude. He's gonna tell me I owe him $100. Dude, my 240 was worth 90 grand.
You literally did it.
Do you need help? Is there a bungee cord or something holding it on?
Oh, I see. There are a couple 10mm bolts underneath this thing here. You know what I mean?
Whoa, 13 grand, dude.
Not with this bumper, dude. Someone wants to buy this bumper, let me know. I'll throw it in the trash. Look at that. All the stock bolts still on this thing. Dude, you know what, dude? Eh? That'd be kind of funny if you'd be like Play-Doh when it comes out the square end.
Oh my God.
It'd be like the spaghettifier Play-Doh machine thingy. It'd just be stinkier. I want all these to just break off, dude.
Why don't you get the Mako in there, bud?
It don't fit, dude. I don't
Put it
got
sideways, it'll work.
And that only works for some things, you know what I mean? That's how you get the water fountain, dude. Catch my drift. 240 SX. Look at these damn fake grills. How ugly is this front end, dude?
It kind of looks like a Firebird or whatever.
Like, I hate it. It looks like a Fiero, dude. It looks like a Fiero, dude. You can put the most eBay bumpers on these things. They look so much better. They don't look like cringe rice and junk.
Literally a fiberglass like kit on this
Oh
thing.
my god.
Would look even better.
Dude, on friggin' AndysAutosport.com, there are legit like 2000s rice, like hell vents. Like those kits are still available. You
Like
can still
Pimp
buy
My
them.
Ride.
Of
Oh yeah,
course.
like straight Fast and the Furious, the original.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
No, dude, I've been saying for like this whole time, why don't I just use the Matco? And you've been like, nah, it's not gonna fit.
Sometimes less words is more.
Oh, oh,
Smack that.
oh.
Smack that things.
I heard some sounds.
Yeah, those were the AJ sounds, dude.
Your neighbors don't get mad at this?
I don't really do it much. Oh no, dude, don't pull the headlight. I care about that one.
Jesus Christ.
Pigtails out of there.
Is that the motor?
Oh, aggressive.
Is that the headlight motor?
This, yeah.
The dilly?
It's the Fiends.
Right in the trash.
$200. No, I might need some of the like the little bracketry off of it. Maybe, probably not. It's like an '89 Prelude.
What's this rice thing, dude?
Yeah, I'm
Shut
trying
up,
to see this rice.
This is the Mintness, dude. You know that song? Down with the Mintness.
Are you sure you didn't get the Fast and the Furious rice one?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I don't think I'm gonna fit with the. It's not gonna fit with that. I gotta take it off. I don't know why I had half hope of that. Oh.
Jeez, are
Right
you
to the
good over
wall.
there?
Someone taking a piss. Is that someone's piss pipe right there?
No, it's like the sinks that go.
Jesus Christ, that's loud.
I just want it to snap, to be honest.
That's literally a pipe.
That's all you could think.
Just stop.
Hit it with the gun.
It is dead, dude.
Oh,
It is,
rice.
it probably is.
You're rice, dude.
I threw my cobalt out, dude. It was junk. It doesn't even sound like a
Oh my god.
There's a bolt that comes out. Better not be anything else for me to unbolt. I better just be able to hit that with a hammer.
Your ass is covered in
like your actual underwear, dude. You look like poopy dust.
Poopy dookie.
Dust.
$600, dude. Let me know. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying, dude? Someone died in this car, dude. I looked it up on the Carfax. This thing was flipped and someone died in it. No, I'm not even joking.
This thing was flipped.
Yeah,
What do you mean?
it was flipped.
Sounds like he's capping.
I'm not. Someone literally died in this car, dude.
How?
Because if the car flipped, dude.
You're capping.
I'm not, dude. It died, dude. It got.
Fits pretty mint.
Yeah, it does. Oh, jeez.
All right, dude. These guys freaking stopped by, checked my out. You know what I mean? Didn't really get too far because I'm Rice and I just like to test fit stuff, and I'm never actually gonna finish this.
It's a running and driving car.
Yeah, it's
Never
literally-
gonna finish it.
Never
Like,
gonna
he
finish
just
it.
needs to put bumpers on. He's like, yeah, I'm never gonna finish this. Like, it's just gonna sit on the jack stands because it doesn't.
It's just gonna sit on the jack stands
Have
and
the
appreciate
bumpers
like
on.
a gold bar, dude. I'm hedged on 240s right now, so You know what I'm saying? But hey, dude, I like this bumper. I'm not gonna tell you what it is because I don't know what it is. But also, I haven't seen this specific bumper on anyone's freaking car, and I don't want it. It's mine. My secret. Don't find it. Don't comment it either. You see this? Long lights, dude. Not the stupid square ones. It's almost like a JDM kooky bumper for an S14, but better because it's an S13.
Okay, guys.
Alright, guys. Cool. Wait, hold on.
I don't even have hoodies up.
Alright, dog. So, now I mean, like the video, like, comment, subscribe, follow the Patreon, follow the Facebook. Know what I'm saying? Catch y'all guys later. Oh, hold on. Much love, cut. Now I got time. Gotta kiss him. Say no harm.
We have a couple clips that we didn't use yet that were like 3-minute little skits, you can call it, I guess. I don't know.
They're supposed to be like Facebook, like little snack-sized videos.
Yeah, but we have like some videos where we just need 4 more minutes, so you guys are happy and it's like a decent.
Yeah, like we have like a 13-minute video, but everyone's like, dude, longer videos, please.
Yeah.
So we're trying.
Like we're giving you a decent amount in the 13, and then we're like, we don't want to put this out, so you guys have at least, I don't know, 15, 17 minutes worth of video to watch and enjoy while you're unwinding. So I'm gonna put this video right now in this clip, so you guys just have a little bit of a longer video today. And yeah, so I hope you like the video. Here it is.
What's going on, guys? I am back again. I have my buddy's STI here. He is letting me borrow it and drive it for the week because he is currently going to be putting a 1,000 wheel to my car. So when that comes back, it's going to be absolutely sick. Yeah, my mom's paying for that. Yeah, this week I asked my mom if she'd give me some gas money so I could drive this. So as you can see, all the red accents that a Subaru needs. You go on the forum, you see what everybody else is doing, and you grab it. That's how Subarus work here. We got a bigger turbo over there. We got the intake that goes down through the fender there, and that involves the access port. So he's got one of those as well with the beautiful suction cup right there, as everybody knows with Subarus. Pop open the door here, and we have a couple race seats along with some harnesses, tons of gauges so you can distract yourself from actually making any boost. Short throw shifter, we got the harness bar, tons of suspension work. This thing is solid, so you ain't rolling it no matter how bad you are at driving it. The classic BBS STI wheels with some R-Comp tires, electronic cutout on the exhaust. What more could you want, man? I'm gonna be driving the out of this thing this week. Got the 5-speed swap in this thing. My buddy said that was the first thing he did to this car. I guess the STI 6-speeds are glass. 5-speed out of the RS, I think. He said it holds up great. He's got the CX Racing top mount intercooler. What more could you ask for? This thing's got the AC delete because who wants non-sweaty balls? Something about the rear diff, he welded it, you know, less traction in the rear. I think he just wants it to be front wheel drive at this point. Tow hook like the Hondas do, in case you fall off the track and need to get pulled back on. Like I said, the suspension is so solid, you could have the thickest broad in this thing.
What's good?
Oh man! What do you got, like a cartboy short shifter? Yeah.
Agency weighted knob. Yeah, it's a fun car. It goes good. It goes very good, you'll see.
Yeah, I've never been in it yet. Wow, that's nothing yet, I can tell. It's so
The car
solid.
does not roll, doesn't do a dang thing.
Oh, it's so awesome. Did you say it's not tuned? Holy f***. This thing felt like a drift car for a second. That sounds so crazy. Jeez. This thing is a monster. It's ridiculous.
It's the handling.
You're real. I can just tell this thing is planted.
Oh yeah, wherever you point it goes.
Like it felt like we were going straight through all those corners.
yeah.
What a machine.
The car gets down.
Oh yeah.
It's a catless downpipe. custom mid pipe that I did to a Flowmaster exhaust. So nice and decent mellow with it closed.
Yeah.
When you open it, it bypasses the muffler. So the cutout's in the rear right over the tank. Oops. What are you gonna do? I typically bang right in.
The seats are dope. The harnesses are dope.
It
Like,
holds you like
yeah.
it's a driver's car. Wop, wop.
yeah.
Only at 19 pounds of boost.
He's got the same oil cap as you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow the Facebook, follow the Patreon. We're going to start doing live streams on the BS Gaming channel. So go ahead over there. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Put your notifications on for either channel. That'd be sick. I hope you guys are enjoying the content because we are enjoying doing it. And yeah, love you guys. See ya.